Sense ya Kenya Kialo Society of Kenya Kenya koba ya komoja EGATI BWABO na boigo abakorimi mase Ebigambero ega sense ya Kenya habo OKOENEKIA guturubania hemerobero yabana inchi koria konyora obwene bwabo kurwa Ebigambero nigo barire ira yogo chakogendera komochia abarayabo paka baimokeri wegetambukere getindikeri chiko erikorro yobokorero bawakili bose Ebigambero.
We have issued a list of the courts where some judges and some judicial officers are obstructing a process of accountability at the Judicial Service Commission. Some of those judges are from the Supreme Court of Kenya. One of them is from the Court of Appeal. There are two judges from the Coast Region, and others are from other parts of the country. So there are not so many, there are about 12 to 14 of them. The list is available. We have already had a session with the Judicial Service Commission, and we have raised awareness of Kenyans, including of stakeholders in the judiciary. They have committed to us that they will take our concerns into account, but we are saying that it's not enough to have commitments. We need to see action. So we are in a journey, but we will not relent until we get to the end of the journey. Weapons in our arsenal, and these weapons are provided to all Kenyans under the Constitution of Kenya. Article 37 has the rights of protest. Article 41 has the rights to withdraw services under industrial action. And there are various other rights, including the ability of the Law Society of Kenya to personally challenge some of the judges and judicial officers interfering with accountability at the Judicial Service Commission, sometimes even in courts of law and so on. So we have several weapons in our arsenal. And what we are asking the JSC is to work with us and to work with all Kenyans as it is required in the Constitution to secure the promise of justice for all, and justice that is fast and justice that is fair.